Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change or edit the custom color for your app in the Retool app editor. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you'd like to customize your app, especially the appearance like the colors, you may do that by navigating to your app settings here in the app editor. Click into that gear icon to the left. Next, click into app theme here on the left hand side, and from there navigate to the color tab. So you can select, for example, a color for specific sections of your app, of these pages here to the right, like for example the canvas, the primary surface, the primary core color, secondary. And what you need to do, guys, is click into these boxes here and select or pick your color from that slider. Now if you'd like to adjust the transparency, use that slider at the bottom. And here to the right, you might choose also the intensity. So if you'd like to insert the hex color code, enter or paste it here, or use that checkbox to the right as just said. So you can do that for the appearance. You can do the same for the text, for statuses. And yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.